Hello. I normally show the sorcery source over newborn images or dancers or maternity images. But in this case, I also want to show you that you can use this action in different images. In this case, I will use the actions for try to smooth this background over these two different shots. The process will be pretty simple. In this case, all I'm gonna do is, for example, run one of the fillers, or even I can use the number 9 or the number 7 or 8. Just for you can take a look, I will use the number 1, and let's see what happened when I run the action. We're gonna need to wait till this process finish, and let's see the final result. As you can see, it was only one click, and in case you want to redefine the shadows, you can do it. In case you want to recover more of the shadows, you can use a black brush over the entire group, and that's all. You can use different actions. You don't need to use just that one. You can do it. Let's do it, for example, with number 8, and let's see what happened. My recommendations: every time you run number 7 or number 8, at the end is just be sure that you don't have any banding in the image. Maybe after run the action, you want to run, for example, the kill banding action by alone, or you want to run the number 9. Again, as you can see, it's pretty perfect. Maybe all you need to do is something like this, because you want softer transitions with the shadows, and of course you can do it with a brush, but it's not the point. So this is all. And also you can use the bleach action in case you need to remove any yellow tone from the backdrop. You can do it with this action, and just with, I don't know, few clicks. This is a really fast before and after. And also you can use this layer mask for blowing the background in case you need it. I don't like the pure white background without any shadow, but it's up to you. I want to show you something for this example. This shot is just wrong, but in any case, it's a good example for the actions. I will use number 1 again. In this case, this action will help me for fill this gap. I know in this case this is really simple because it's just use a white brush and that's all, but in some cases it won't. So this is the situation. Just imagine that you have a paper backdrop, you need to extend and you want to preserve the color. It's not pure white and you have some shadow, and you want to extend it without having any banding. And this is when this action is really useful, because just doing this, you can extend the background, and all you need to do is just this, paint with black in the places you want to don't have any harsh shadow, in case you have one. Not in every case you will have a harsh shadow, but yes, in this case we had. So I just paint like this in the layer mask. It was like really simple, really fast, and I think that's all. Again, of course, you can use the automatic mask created for the actions in case you want to, for example, be more precise or delete any imperfection, and you will have the subject, in this case the object, selected automatically, or in any case, you can use the mask creators. It works just fine and really fast. You have two versions, the tight and expanded one. It will leave a gap between the object or the subject and the mask, and the other will be just at the edge. I don't know, I think that's all. I just wanted to show you that you can use this action set for different purposes, and it's not exclusively for newborn or maternity or dancers. Well, it's pretty clear. And one more thing, not in every case will be one click. There is situations, I did upload many videos showing that, where you will need to work by hand a little before or after running the actions. I don't know, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, or you can tag the girls in this post or in the YouTube video or wherever you are watching this. I hope you find this information or this really fast tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching. That's all. See you later. Bye bye.